I want to make another lofted cut into this part. For my first sketch, I'll select this face, start a sketch, then look normal to it. On this face, I'm going to sketch an ellipse. So from the ribbon, I'll choose ellipse. I'll put the center of the ellipse on the origin of the part. I'll move over here and click. Then I'll move up and click to create the ellipse. I'll push escape to stop creating ellipses. I'm going to make these 2 points horizontal and these 2 vertical. Then I'll use my mouse gesture to start Smart Dimension. I'll make this dimension 1 3/16. Then I'll make this dimension 1 inch. My sketch is fully defined, so I'll right click and I'll choose Exit Sketch. I'll go back to the isometric view. To finish off the ellipse, I'm going to create a plane 1.25 inch offset from this top face. So I'll make it go down. And in that plane, I'm going to sketch a circle. So I'll activate Sketch. Again, I'll look normal too. I'll use my mouse gestures to start a circle. Click on the origin, move out, and click to create the circle. Press Escape to leave. And I'll select the circle, and I'll select the ellipse, and I'll make them tangent. Now my sketch is fully defined, so I can exit this sketch. Again, I'll look isometrically. You can choose Lofted Cut. And once again, be careful where I select the profiles. So the preview looks good. I'll accept that. And I've created a lofted cut into my part.